Hello, so before I get into this tutorial, I forgot to mention that the tool works with both ARKit blend shapes as well as VRChat Visemes. Hello, this is going to be a little tutorial on how to use my VRM shape key setup tool. So first of all, I assume you already have the Unity package downloaded. So you're just going to come up to Assets, Import Package, Custom Package. You want to find wherever you saved it and open the package. And you should see this little window. Just come down to the bottom right and hit import. Okay, after that's done importing, what you want to do is come up here to tools, look under VRM, and you should see this button that says auto setup shape keys. Click on that and this nice little window would open, or it will open. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to add all the information that it wants. It tells you what it needs here. So just going to set up a save location. One note on this is it has to be inside of your assets folder. It can be in any folder as long as it's inside here. If it's not inside here, the tool will not let you do anything. So next is an avatar name. It doesn't really matter what you name this. It's used for one file, and I'll show you where it's used in a moment. Now for this avatar prefab, you want to go to your scene and find what object has all of the blend shapes for your avatar. In this case, for this test model, it's this body. So now you'll see that it shows me all of the blend shapes that's detected, how many are valid, and what I'm going to do is just hit setup data. Alright, now you can see the folder where I put it. There's this file that has now appeared and all of these clips. So you can see this is just what the avatar name is used for, and I'll drag on my preview prefab, and you can see that brow down left is set up, and if we were to check for its blend shape, you can see that brow down left is indeed set up. Anyway, yep, this is a tutorial on how to use this little tool.